Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use FlexClip AI Auto Subtitle. So you just want to head over to flexclip.com, and here from the drop down you will find a bunch of AI tools and you want to select AI Auto Subtitle. So go ahead and click that, and this will now ask you to upload your file. So you can upload files such as MP4, MOV, M4V, WebM, MP3, right? So let's go ahead and upload a file here. And I will just simply use a file. So I will just use one of those creating videos that I've done already. And here you can see I've uploaded a tutorial video that I've already done. So if I go ahead and I play this, you will hear that it has an audio of me explaining what this video is about. Now, how do we use it? All we have to do is just simply ensure that we click on the auto subtitle that we see here. So let me go ahead and click Auto AI Subtitle. It will now triggers and ask me to sign in. So if you have a Facebook account or Gmail, now once you do that, you can now use the options, right? You can use the Auto AI Subtitle, or you can manually subtitle, or you can upload a subtitle file. But for now, we're focusing on the Auto Subtitle. So all we have to do is just simply click on Auto AI Subtitle. And then we want to choose the language. So I'm going to just simply go ahead and choose English US. And in terms of the voice now, guys, all we have to do is just select what we want. We can do scene or we can do the audio, right? So we will just leave for all, and just so that it do the scene and also the audio. Then we click next. Then we have two options. We can do like a single line or we can do double line, right? So we will leave it as a single line audio, and then we will choose among various styles that they have. So let me just choose just one. So I will choose this one, for example, and then we click generate. Now, once this is done, you will find that the video is subtitled. There is a speech, right? And you can basically download the subtitle file. You can delete it as you wish, and you can easily modify anywhere you think that there is an error. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on it, and you can basically modify the text as you wish. Right now, here you have the subtitle here, guys, and you can always go ahead and adjust it or move it to where you want. So if I go ahead and click on the subtitle here, you see that I can move it around to wherever I choose to put it. And you can also increase the text. So if I also go ahead and click the plus here beside the size, you realize that the size of the subtitle is now increasing. You can play around with the font as well. So you can choose a different font if you so desire. There are a bunch of different fonts that you can choose from. So you can choose between different fonts as you wish, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select a different font so that you can see that you can choose between different fonts as you wish. So here's a different font, and I will increase the size as well so that you can see that you can increase the size. It doesn't matter whatever you choose, you can increase the size. You can also change the color as well by simply click on color and choose a different color as you so desire as well. And yeah, you can basically do whatever you want with this. Once you're done, guys, all you have to do is simply click on export, choose whichever quality that you want. If you want 480p, 720p, or 1080p, then all you have to do is click export. And all you have to do is just simply click export, and this will export the video. It will render the video and export the video. And once this is finished, you will get the option to download the video as you so desire. Now, guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.